Okay, thought I'd do a quick and dirty. The removal of C19 8 microfarad. Have marked yellow wire from here to here, from the positive to pin 4 of the rectifier tube. C19 is this big capacitor right there. I'll be clipping this wire. That's the yellow wire. It goes to pin 4. I don't know if you can quite get the light in there. Just right there. That's pin 4 of the 80 rectifier tube. So, get my clippers here. Give that a big removal. Woo. Nice and crumbly. Okay. Now, I have masking tape. I'll be marking it, yellow wire, 82, capacitor C19. Anyway, the capacitor is right there. I've already pre-loosened. Get this thing around where we can see it. Okay, let's see. Okay. All right. I've pre-loosened the screw, so let's just give it a little wiggle. And voila. You seem to have a little, rubber. There. The light's too bright. Hold on. Seems to be a rubber O-ring, all deteriorated. There we go. That's a better shot. There was a 8 microfarad capacitor that was added on later. That's what that wire is. Anyway, seem to have a small dent. Have to work that out somehow. Okay, last night I was able to remove one of the can capacitors that fit in that hole. Tonight I was going to try and remove the other can capacitor. I was able to clip 2 yellow wires, one of the red ones, but there's a couple green ones. They're just not ready to clip yet. I have one of the yellow wires clipped back there, but haven't been able to put the tape on it yet. Anyway, what I did tonight was to try and identify all the capacitors. And let's see if we can go over C20, flat cap near power and big cap. So that would be this flat cap right there. So what I did was I put a check mark. And then you have C1, and I wrote down some confusion with C10. I haven't identified that one yet. The reason why I'm having some confusion is got a capacitor back here that's flapping in the wind. I got a capacitor right here flapping in the wind. Got a 0.1 huge capacitor. And then you've got this capacitor here. But the others seem to be identified. Let's see, to 20 C2. there's a flat capacitor on the inside there, and it goes to H-band switch. Let's see here, C4, that's the rectangular capacitor. Let's see, I don't know if we can, it's rectangular right there. Okay, C5, broken cap next to A6, so I got a question mark maybe to green elect cap, so not sure about that one. When I say green elect cap, that's, let's see, you can't quite see, that's down in there. Okay, brown wire from T1 goes to band switch. I identified that. So yeah, I was able to identify all those. It's just at C6 I couldn't identify this I wasn't quite sure, so I wrote it in pencil. Some of these are underneath resistor banks. I'm calling a resistor bank, you know, one of these squares. There's a square. Yeah, there's one there, one there. So, and then I wrote the switch. That's what this guy is. And I thought that was a piece of trash that was connected to right there. And what it ended up being was a piece of copper. Let's see, something's in your way here. Okay. This little flap right there was a piece of copper. Apparently, when the technician went in to clip one of these capacitors or whatever, I think he went a little too far and clipped, or for whatever reason, that switch got bent back maybe. I'm not sure if it's supposed to go forward and rub on these metal of the switch. So maybe y'all could comment on that. 15, 16 was identified. 17, I'm not sure. This guy, I'm not sure where that one is. Let's see, I wrote down, might be underneath resistor bank switch front panel, other green wire to speaker outlet, and that would be this resistor bank here. There's a green wire right here, and it runs all the way down over to the speaker outlet. So, you know, not sure if it's one of these guys or whatever. Oh man, getting late. Anyway, C18 electrolytic. That's the big one over there. Cannear front panel C19 already removed C19. Well, the neighbors' chickens and roosters are out and about eating bugs after I mowed yesterday. There he goes. It's hot 90 degrees and got your typical Louisiana weather. Fixing to dump a bunch of water. And to add to it, the air conditioner has been out since Thursday afternoon. I got home and wife says, "Oh, by the way, the air conditioner's out." So I changed the capacitor, which had already been changed during the Great Flood of 2016. And it had no effect. So called the air conditioner man, and by the way, they're eating all the blueberries that fall from the blueberry tree. Anyway, had the guy come over yesterday, and with the price of Freon, it's just not worth trying to see if the leak will, you know, if the Freon will stay or not, you know. Put it in, $600 worth, and poof, it's gone in seconds. So we're just gonna have a new system put in, and but we have to bear with the heat till like Wednesday, or, you know. Oh well. So what I'm doing today is just something easy, and we'll show you that in a sec. Well, here we have the tube cans. Decided to go ahead and fix up today. It's so darn hot. Air conditioner's out. I used the automotive primer. I got it at Home Depot, and it chose a gold color, pretty much the same as what was on there. And sorry, I put the can in the house. Anyway, that's about the third coat or so. Still kind of showing a little bit of pitting, a little bit. Let's see, I don't know. You can see it somewhere. Yeah, kind of right in there. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I think that's kind of from the automotive primer. Probably didn't want to sand it too much, because then you end up sanding it all off. Anyway, just you know, a few more coats and just blast that spot, and hopefully fix it. And of course, I gotta somehow blast the insides a little bit. Okay. Just an update.